Thompson, and today we're planting snap beans. I have 3 planters here set up with all-purpose, all-natural planting soil. I'm going to transplant my beans first because I feel this is more of a controlled environment and it gets the plant big and healthy before I put it into the ground. So I'm just going to take my beans, I'm going to place them right on top of the soil that I filled 3/4 of the way up to the top of the container, like so. And then with the same kind of soil, I'm going to cover them the rest of the way. Now you'll want to make sure these stay moist and get plenty of sunlight until they sprout up a few inches tall and you can set them into the ground. Now when you're planting them in the ground, these are bush variety of beans, so they do not need to be trellised or propped up against anything. They can be freestanding. You'll plant them 1 to 2 inches deep depending on your soil, and you'll space them 3 to 4 inches apart. And that is how you plant snap beans. Thank you very much.